2019 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack. We're going to be doing a K&N cold air intake on this. I just wanted to make a video, simple video, just the basic hand tools that you'll need, the process from start to finish. So what's in the box? I have a K&N filter. You have the K&N inlet pipe. Silicone connectors, couplers, have some fittings, shield, nice little rubber liner for the shield, and of course, lovely instructions. Of course, K&N provides a very nice, detailed instructions, pictures to everything that you're gonna go through as far as taking the old one off, putting a new one on. I mean, they did a great job labeling everything, describing everything, but it's a very simple, straightforward kit, so let's go ahead and get it installed. All right, first you're gonna want to remove the factory air box off this half cover. Pretty simple flathead screwdriver, 8mm. Make sure you disconnect the intake air temperature sensor. And the whole air box comes out in one piece. All right, now that you have everything assembled, it should look similar to this. Just haven't put the air filter on yet. Of course, you have to put down the mounting point on the lower half. Go ahead and maneuver this in here. And you'll use the factory bolt for the top mounting bracket. All right, next what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and take a 14mm and tighten the lower mounting bolt as well as the upper mounting bolt that you use from the factory, and then tighten up your hose clamps. you can go ahead and tighten up all your hose clamps. Now that everything's secure, you can go ahead and mount the filter in. Make sure you plug in your temperature sensor. And the last thing I have to do is run the vent hose. So I'll go ahead and take care of that now. All right, so your next step, after you've cut the length of the provided hoses and fitting, you can go ahead and put these together. And that'll run from the installed breather that you put on the bottom of the aftermarket intake. And that'll run to the breather right by the oil fill. Right, so the finished product, of course, still have to put the half cover back on, but you can see where you made this joint. I went ahead and ran down. The intake air temperature sensor is plugged back in. It is a very simple, straightforward kit. Difficulty, 2 out of 5. You know, typical hand tools, nothing out of the ordinary. Now it's time to see how it drives and see what the difference is.